pod mounts. This is the Thumper Fab pod mount for the Ranger 1500 XD. Mounted on the pod mount, we have the Rigid 360. That's an RGB, so you're gonna run red, green, or blue, and it also has an extremely bright white. You are capable to run any pod that's pretty much out there. And you can also get on the website, check out the several different pod mount lights that we have to offer. This is gonna mount right up on the side of your vehicle, right at the lower extremity of the windshield. So let's light your future up pretty bright. We have the rigids on these pods, but you can run whatever pod you'd like. Check them out on the website, thumperfab.com. Find a dealer near you, and I'll see you on the trails.